What did you find was missing in other forms of mentorship that you provide, leadership that you provide? What was missing that made you want to write B-State or compelled you to write B-State?
The situations that we get involved in as a consulting group is organizations that need to make rapid change very quickly, either because a regulatory agency demands it, or competition is demanding it, new technology is demanding it, or there's a massive structure change that's happening at corporate level, but it's affecting every division within the organization. And we don't have time to wait 2 or 3 years to respond. We actually have to respond and get results within about 3 to 6 months. And unfortunately, so many of the methodologies to get fast results are just not in play. We have great systems for Lean and Six Sigma and studying and analyzing old ways of doing things to make them better. But those are incremental changes. And what we're looking for and what we're dedicated to are breakthrough results. And the challenge is you can push to get a breakthrough result in your business through willpower, through hard work, through burnout. The problem is it's not sustainable. So the real key in getting a breakthrough result is you've got to change the business, but you have to also change the culture at the same time and change it in a way that, again, doesn't take forever and links it to the business. Too often we're seeing culture separated from the business. So we have our business agenda, we have our culture agenda. Our business is based on accomplishing our deliverables with metrics, with the balanced scorecard and dashboards. Our culture is, predicated on our employee experience and satisfaction and climate surveys. But where do the two meet? Except indirectly to say, if people are happier, they're going to get better results.
Right.
And that's true up to a certain point. And then there's a point where that is actually not true. That's what we have to address if we want to get breakthrough results and change the culture and link the culture to the business.